Since 2011, Santa Barbara's Water Conservation Program has been giving out the Water Hero Award. The award highlights individuals, businesses, and organizations that go above and beyond in their water conservation efforts. And this year's recipient is no exception.
This year, the city is recognizing Mission Linen for their efforts in incorporating water conservation in their operations. Some of their efforts include recycling water on site and making adjustments to their washing formulas, which have significantly reduced their water usage.
Mission Linen Supply began in Santa Barbara in 1930 and has been providing laundry services to hospitality, healthcare, and industrial businesses throughout the region ever since.
We are what we consider the original environmentalists, where sustainability is built into our business. We rent products and reuse them as a part of our service to our customers. And utilities, and water in particular, is a precious resource and always has been for us. So we have focused on the conservation of that resource for many years. And then certainly here in Santa Barbara over the past many years, we've had a greater need to find out ways in which we can reduce our water usage due to the drought conditions that we've had.
Mission Linen has a long history of being sustainable partners with the city of Santa Barbara. We saw it coming a long time in advance. We've always tried to be one step ahead of the situation, and when the drought started coming through, we noticed that we needed to make a change ourselves.
Mission Linen Supply has two main operating plants in Santa Barbara, the industrial plant and the linen plant. While the linen plant focuses on providing laundry services to hospitality and restaurant customers, the industrial plant primarily handles uniform and garment services. Together, both plants process thousands of pounds of laundry each week, making water usage a huge part of their daily operations.
During our slow season, we process about 78,000 pounds of soiled linen a week, and that's through our restaurants and our hotels. During our busy season, our summer, we run through about 106,000 pounds a week, so it vacillates greatly from season to season.
And those numbers are for the linen plant only. Another 63,000 pounds of laundry gets washed each week in the industrial plant. You can imagine how much water it takes to process that much laundry. Fortunately, Mission Linen Supply developed a way to both recycle and reuse their rinse water, resulting in dramatic water savings.
This facility has been recycling water since 1973. What we've done is we've improved the process. We've changed out the softening capacity, therefore reducing some of the salt in softening water that is used for the process, right? So we saved on the water and the salt.
By capturing water on site and safely treating it for reuse, Mission Linen is able to reduce their water consumption to about 50% of what a home washer would use.
We reclaim now 34% of the water that's currently taken in by the city, and we use that to go ahead and wash additional loads of laundry.
In addition to recycling water, Mission Linen also removes harmful waste products from the rinse water before it gets sent back out to the wastewater system.
One of the things we do here at Mission Linen is we launder the garments and the towels and ancillary items in our customers' place of business. Had folks taken those things home, they would have used probably twice as much water as we use. Additionally, what we do is we actually clean the water before we send it back to the city of Santa Barbara. We're actually very proud of being #1 creator of wastewater in the city of Santa Barbara, but we clean it before we send it back to the city of Santa Barbara. And this port is where the actual water returns down the hatch to the sewer to go back to the city of Santa Barbara. In the back of the plant, we have a wastewater system to treat that. Mission Linen was one of the first to even introduce a wastewater system, and I think it was back in 1973. We've reduced 40 tons of greenhouse gases by doing this.
Another positive change that was made over the past year was replacing a 120-year-old boiler in their industrial plant.
We have a boiler that basically was brought in from the old Arlington Hotel after the earthquake or when it burned down. The founder bought it. They moved it to this facility. We basically decommissioned it about a year and a half ago. The age basically did not make any sense to continue to operate. It was beginning to be suspect as far as the safety aspect of it. So we were able to install a newer boiler that could produce lower emissions. So it was very clean boiler.
Between their heat reclamation and water reusage programs, it's estimated that Mission Linen Supply saves about 141 million gallons of water per year, making them a worthy recipient of this year's Water Hero Award.